Toby. So
Hey, Toby, take a round out of him. Oh, it's good. Ah! Toby.
Damn. Oh! Oh, man. He jumped on me hard. It looks hilarious. Biting your tail?
Toby! Toby! Got him. Where's your chew toy, buddy? Where's your chew toy? Huh? Where's your chew toy?
Oh, right in the face. Oh, he's getting me. Oh,
Where's your chew toy, Toby?
no. Oh, he just got him.
Get him, Barney. Get him. Get him. Oh, Toby, take it easy, buddy.
Pulling him around by his leash. He's mounting him saying I'm better than you and I'm bigger. Yeah, I think Barney already knows he's smaller in the pack. Oh, I just hit his face.
Barney doesn't care, man. He'll fight anything.
Let me get that leash off you, Barney. Let me get that leash off you. There you go. Look at it. Barney's a
Toby! What are you doing?
Barney's a tough dog. He's too small to turn around and bite him.
It's like, Toby, you be nice. Be nice.
Come on, Tobes. Come on, come on. Be nice. Be nice, Toby. Barney's still trying to get him.
Oh yeah, you don't care. He's a fighter. Go easy on him, Barney. Barney!
I was trying to shake off. I can stand over you. Look how much bigger I am than you. Barney.
Get him! Get him!
It's like I'm bigger than you. Oh, we need to get Biggie over here. They all love each other.